Can you get that off?
I can.
Need a little bit of help? Here you go.
No,
There you go.
no.
Do the paper.
Oh,
Open the paper. Toby's right. He's as slow at opening gifts as I am.
there's a dinosaur.
Are there dinosaurs in there? Holy mackerel. Wow.
Ton of dinosaurs. Ton of dinosaurs.
Can you count them? Can you tell Nan how many dinosaurs are in the box?
How many dinosaurs are on the box?
Can you count them? Let's count them. Count them.
Can I have them?
Yeah, but count them.